Hey y'all, it's Miss A. Today we're going to make a video and I'm going to show you how to multiply. A skill y'all been doing since elementary school, but y'all really struggle with it. So I'm actually going to show you how to do multiplication two different ways today. The traditional way, and then I'm going to show you what's known as the lattice method. If you got multiplication, if you can do this with no problem at all, then you're fine. The lattice method is just it's a little bit of a longer way, but it does help some kids. I've had several students each year that just really prefer the lattice method. So I'm going to show you both today. The problem that we are multiplying is 291 times 52. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply everything on top by the 2 that's in the ones digit. So I'm going to start by going up. 2 times 1 is 2. Now I'm going to multiply the 2 times this 9. 2 times 9 is 18, so I have to carry the 1 and put the 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Don't forget to add the 1, and you get 5. And then I like to cross off this 1 so I don't use it again. And then now we have to put a placeholder so we can multiply by the 5. And the reason we put the placeholder is because we're not multiplying by 5. We're actually multiplying by 50, because this is in the tens place. But we're going to put that placeholder just to hold our place. Now we're going to cross off the 2 because I'm done with it. And I'm going to multiply everything on top by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 2 is 10. Don't forget to add the 4. And you get 14. Now that we're done, that we multiplied everything, we're going to add here. My bad. We're going to add. We get 2 plus 0 is 2. 13, have to carry the 1. 10 plus 1 makes 11. 5 and 1. So your answer is 15,132. This is the traditional way. The next way I'm going to show you is lattice method. I know it is a way that I know some elementary schools were teaching the students. So if you've seen this before and you know you don't like it, then don't worry about it. Or if you think you might like it but you were just confused, let me explain it to you nice and slow. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a box. It doesn't have to be too big, but I'd rather it be bigger than squished and have to write small. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to write out our multiplication problem. I'm going to put the first number here on top and the second number here on the side, and make sure you space out the numbers. Don't put them 2, 9, 1 right here. So I'm going to put 2, 9 in the middle, and then 1. And then I'm going to put 52 here. Again, we don't want to have them close together, so we're going to space them out. Now we're going to draw a line in between each number. So between the 2 and the 9, we're going to draw a line here. Between the 9 and the 1. And then we're also going to draw a line in between the 5 and the 2. Alright, before we can start multiplying, we need to draw, I guess, the lattice part. So we're going to start in the upper right-hand corner and go down to the opposite left corner. Straight line. And then we're going to extend it a little bit. We're going to keep doing that. Top right, bottom left. But I noticed there's another box, so I'm going to keep going. Extend it. Again. Extend it. And then one more. Like that. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is now we're going to multiply just these one-digit numbers together. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to do 1 times 5 is 0, 5. We have to put 2 digits. So if it's a single-digit number, just put 0 first. 9 times 5 is 45. 2 times 5 is 10. So 1, 0 for 10. Now I'm going to multiply the 1 times this bottom number. So 1 times 2 is 2. 9 times the bottom number. 9 times 2 is 18. And then 2 times 2 is 4. Now that that's done, I'm going to do my adding, just like my next step would be to add here. But I'm only going to add what's underneath this line. Don't include the numbers that are on the side. So beneath this line, I have the number 2 by itself, so I put 2. Now I'm going to add everything here under this line. 8 plus 5 makes 13. So I'm going to carry the 1 to the next section and then put my 3, just like you would normally carry. Alright, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 makes 10. 10 plus 1 makes 11. So again, carry the 1, put the 1. Those are 0. 4 plus 1 makes 5. And then up here, all I have is a 1. So to get my answer, you look at the numbers that you just found, which would be these. So your answer is 1, 5, 1, 3, 2. Oh, 3, 2. So 15,132. The exact same answer we got up here at the top. So this is just another method, another way to multiply multiple of those bigger digits. At least you can do a 2 by 2, you could 3 by 2, however big you need it, honestly. Not that we get too big in 6th grade, but every now and then you will have to do a 3 by 2 digit. So you don't have to do lattice method. This is just another option. Just wanted to show you in case you've never seen it before. If you have any questions over how to do one of these, or you would like to see another example, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to make a video for you. Y'all have a great day. Bye, guys.